Jump. All right. Prancing, prancing, prancing. Very nice. How do you make him stop? You go, whoa, good. Make him walk. Say, okay, walk. Good. Trot, trot. Good. That's right there. Kind of like prancing. Okay, good. Now, gallop. Good job. Very nice. You're going to be a good rider. Well, your horse does nice tricks. I think you're going to be a blue ribbon horse rider. Yep.